Hello guys again, my name is Andrew and today I'm going to show you how to use this Rivet tool. This Rivet tool, it all starts what you want to do. First of all, you must choose the rivets, the thickness of the rivets. We have 3 length and 3 thickness difference of these rivets. Let me show you. Okay, here I'm going to use the more thickness. For me it's good, the bigger. Then you must choose how to drill, and you're choosing the thickness of this, bigger thickness, and then you're taking this drill. Okay, put it here. I get. And of course, this is my choice of material, 2 pieces of aluminium. I'm going to do a new holes, 2 holes, just like that, here. And another one here. Very good. Then you must choose the biggest thickness of the hole. Unlock this. Take this key. Take out the first one, and now that's for your choosing to use. Tight and easy. Open the rivets that you want to use. You're putting this here inside, and just close a little bit to hold it in the place. Okay, that's wonderful. Then taking the materials that you want to use, nice and easy, find the hole inside and squeeze it, and you see how it goes up and tight. And squeeze it more. Then you're trying to break it. Another one. Again inside, and try to break it again. And that was all. And you see how it goes. And I'm going to do the second hole that I drill. Again, inside, just push a little bit to hold it. Okay, very nice. And again, push it. One, release it, and again, and that it will break. That was all. And you see how durable it is. It's not going anywhere. And that is how you are using a Rivet tool. It's very useful. You can do many DIY jobs with that Rivet tool on aluminium, on thin of metal, because why thin? Because you can't put something that is not so thin, because if it is let me say something that is half of centimeters, it cannot hold the metal that you are working. That's for it must be at least 3 millimeters. Yeah. Okay, that was all, guys. I'm sure you can use it in many metals and materials. Thank you for watching again this lovely review how to use this Rivet tool with all these rivets. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice, but please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future it will come and you don't want to miss it from Andrew. Have a nice day. Bye bye.